I can finally do this tutorial. Anyway. The 2394 for the front spike. 29 for his ears and whatever ponytail. 76 for spikes. Tail for other spike. Tail 53, I meant. 4,349.
Well, this is the life of Jelly Roll, and yes, it is quite a bit more fun than the life he was living since Jason.
3,573 for nose. 5,962 for stomach. Wings 56 for spike. Wings 1. Fuck off, no. I didn't mean to say that. YouTube, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to say that. But Wings 1 2021. Please don't ban me. Anyway, 2024 sleeves 24 for arms. Shirt 23 for body. Pants 16 for the socks. 121 for socks, other socks. 83 for shoes. Hold on. Did I even...
Given that Bob Singer's from Detroit, I have to ask what was the song. The most cliche. My go-to is old time rock and roll. But for karaoke, but my favorite song of all time ever is Against the Wind. Of all songs. Of all songs ever. That's amazing. Against the Wind has done more for me in my life than any other song. So much of his life has been lived against the wind. But nowadays, he's got the wind in his back, powered by a string of songs that crisscross the country and rock charts.
How can I'm trying to find where is that? Oh yeah, okay. Found it. 7,655 for the balling up fist, and 3 for glove. And I think, yeah. And for the color. Pause and copy it. Oh yeah, and for this it's 3,238. And just make this all inches, copy and paste, and then just paste it, and then you're done.